Hello everyone, welcome back to another Outlook video. So on Friday, what things were looking like, I was saying I was expecting higher prices, and we did get a short-term push higher yesterday, but I didn't have any SMTs on the low. We did have a previous 90-minute low SMT, but the entry was before 9:30, so I didn't take it. It did go higher, but then it just crashed down later in the session, and we just kind of consolidated. So Friday was a no trade day for me. And now when we go into today's price action, overall, looking at the daily, we're in this bullish range because we created a swing low here and closed above that swing high. So this is the small range on the daily. If we drop down, so I'm leaning more bullish on the daily chart just because of how we've been trading at all-time highs. When we go to the intermediate term time frame, we can see that all assets closed above previous week high, which is bullish, and there's no previous week low SMT. And then when we go to the 90-minute chart, we can see that all assets closed above previous day high as well. So there's no previous day high SMT. This is normally a bullish sign I like to see. But we also don't have a previous day low SMT. So heading into today, initially I was interested to see a trade from this new week opening gap. If we had a 15-minute SMT and a 5-minute SMT off this key level, I'd be interested in higher prices. But ever since then, we kind of just traded through that invalidated previous session low. So my game plan for today is that I'm remaining sidelined until we create a previous day low SMT. So if we create this previous day low SMT and then have a previous 90-minute low SMT, that would be a valid entry for me. That would only happen probably from 10:30 onwards, because if we go to the previous 90-minute low, if we go to the 5-minute chart, we can see all assets closed below, so we need to wait for a new cycle, which is at 10:30. So if at 10:30 we have a previous day low SMT and a 5-minute SMT, then I would be interested in higher prices, because really this is just this range here is the range on the daily right here. So if we go down, sweep these lows, create a previous day low SMT, and continue higher, that's a pretty good setup for long. So that's the game plan. So yeah, hope this was insightful, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.